In this video, we are going to discuss about a body-centered cubic structure. In a body-centered cubic structure, the atoms are located at all the 8 corners of a unit cell, and also one more atom which is located at the center of the unit cell. The examples of the BCC structure are tungsten, molybdenum, chromium, etc. Now we are going to discuss about the number of atoms per unit cell in a BCC structure. The total number of atoms present in a unit cell is known as the number of atoms per unit cell. In here, each and every corner atom is shared by 8 adjacent unit cells, so that the share is nothing but 1 by 8. There are 8 corners, so 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1 atom. There is also one more atom at the center of the unit cell which has no share by the other nearby unit cells, so that the total share is 1. The total number of atoms will be equal to 1 corner atom plus 1 body center atom, that is nothing but 2. Now we are going to talk about the atomic radius of a BCC structure. Atomic radius is defined as half of the distance between any two nearest neighbors which touches each other. Here the body diagonal is considered as root 3 if the length of the cube is A. And also from this picture we can understand that 3 atoms touches each other from center of the first atom to the center of the third atom. The first atom, the radius is considered, and for the second atom the diagonal is considered, and for the third atom only the radius is considered, so that r plus 2r plus r, that is equal to 4r. Already we know that the length of the body diagonal is root 3a. Now we know that length of the body diagonal is 4r, so that root 3a is equal to 4r. From that we can understand r is equal to root 3a by 4, which is nothing but the atomic radius of the BCC structure. Then comes the coordination number. Coordination number is the number of atoms which is nearby to a particular atom, which is the nearest neighboring atoms. Here from this picture you can see that the corner atoms do not touch each other, but the body centered atom touches all the corner atoms. From this we can understand that the body centered atom touches all the 8 corner atoms, so that the coordination number is 8. Now we are going to discuss about the atomic packing factor of BCC structure. Atomic packing factor is defined as the ratio of volume occupied by the number of atoms to the total volume of the unit cell. Volume occupied by total number of atoms per unit cell, so that number of atoms into volume of one atom. Here the number of atoms is equal to 2, and the volume of one atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. We know that r is equal to root 3 by 4a, and root 3 by 4 is equal to 0.433, so that 2 into 4 by 3, 0.433 3A cube divided by the volume of unit cell, which is nothing but A cube, that is equal. So that the atomic packing factor is equal to 0.68 or 68%. Therefore, we can say that 68% of the unit cell is occupied and the remaining 32% is vacant. Since the packing action is greater than the simple cubic structure, it is a tightly packed structure when compared to the simple cubic structure.